Alright, this is gonna be a complete unedited. I'm just going over some error message that I got right now. So I have a few error messages on here. I have, as you can see, electrical system is unable to support all features, switching off all features conserve energy. That is Sentry mode. Supercharging. We're not focused on that. We're just focused on these. Schedule service to replace low voltage battery. That's the error code that we're looking at. Electrical system backup power is unavailable. And there's one more error. That's pretty much it. So basically this Model 3 has gone through the process of needing a battery replacement because it says the low voltage battery is needing to replace. So I guess I read some of the errors that are associated with it, and as you can see right here, the error says that it might stop. Some of the electrical features are not going to be available. It's not able to do that. Service is required. So I looked at some videos, and basically they're just saying that I need to replace this battery. It's pretty much under warranty, 8 years, under 100k miles, and they're probably going to check to see if the battery is under warranty, and they're going to check the battery capacity. So basically my range on this thing gets to about 200 miles on a full charge, around there. So the battery is probably around like 70% capacity. If it goes under 70, then it needs to be replaced. So it's probably just around there. Yeah.